Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Brave's Diva Lacquer 50 Shades of Hay. Stunning. I've got Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat, and then I'm also using Anchor and Heart. Doubling up. Brave's Diva 50 Shades of Hay. So stinking gorgeous. Love it. So here we go. We're going to go in with our first coat. The formula is fantastic, and the color with those flakies in it just screams autumn. Oh my. I'm telling you, this one is a standout. Love it. So there we go with our first coat. And I have to get Woody out here to help me clean up. Hi Woody. How you doing? There we go. And then we got to cap that free edge. And I'm going to get a little crazy with it. Getting a little gloopy. Sorry for the fuzzy frame. Come on, camera. Act right. I'm going to get Woody out here again to help. Get that glob out from underneath it. And here we go with our second coat. And I'm going to just stop at 2. I think 2 is going to be good for this one. I love those like fire red looking flakies in there. Oh, the contrast is perfect. So I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down so we can do some playing. Gosh, so pretty all on its own. Love it. See that little short thumbnail? Here's a swatch photo of 50 Shades of Hay. I'll be using Cici and Sisi 11 today. I got to get the blue wrap off of it and get it cleaned up and ready. Gonna clean it with some acetone, and then I'll wipe over it with a paper towel because that's how I do. I'll be using Brave's Diva on the black to stamp with today. I've got out my monocle stamper and just a generic scraper card. I wanted to use these skulls, but in hindsight, I don't know if my nails weren't long enough. I didn't position it right, but you couldn't even tell they were skulls at all. They're just some little black blobs on my nails, but I was okay with it. I mean, I really did want the skulls, but yeah, whatever. You can see it looks like a skull, and then what is that? What? I am going to go in with a piece of tape on all of my nails and get at the excess that I can't, you know, that I just can't keep from making a mess, you know, stamping some messy stuff. And then I'm going to have to clean it up later with some acetone. I do clean off my stamper on a lint roller, and that plate is, of course, getting cleaned with pure acetone again. And I'm going to put this image on my thumb and then my ring fingernail, just because since it didn't turn out like I kind of hoped it would, so I ended up deciding to do another image on the other nails. So I'm going to go with the roses. I decided skulls and roses. Whatever. Just, you know, get something on them nails and get it done. There we go. But I really did end up enjoying the manicure, even though it didn't turn out looking like skulls. You know, most people don't see your nails up close enough to know whether you've got skulls or rocks or blobs or what. So, you know, even though it didn't turn out like skulls, really, I mean, I kind of see it a little bit, but you have to work really hard to see that. I am cleaning up with some acetone here around my fingernails. And then I'm going to top it with the Bundle Monster, Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat, and get it to dry down. And then we're going to use some Poshe Top Coat to seal everything in and call it good to go. Good to go. But I really do like that 50 Shades of Hay. I'm sold. Capping that free edge there. Well, I hope you enjoyed my manicure. I've got a swatch photo right here, and I'd love to hear what you think about it. And that's it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.